WordPress offers a robust system for managing user roles and permissions, making it an essential tool for businesses, bloggers, and developers who need to control what users can and cannot do on their websites. Understanding how to set user roles and permissions ensures that each user has appropriate access without compromising security. Understanding user roles in WordPress. WordPress comes with 6 default user roles. Administrator, full access to all site functions. Editor, can manage content but not the site's backend. Author, can create and manage their posts. Contributor, can write posts but cannot publish them. Subscriber, can manage their profile. Super admin, used for managing multi-site WordPress installations. Each role defines what a user can do. Called capabilities. For instance, authors can publish posts, while contributors can only submit drafts for review. Why user permissions matter. Managing user permissions is essential for controlling who has access to certain functions of your WordPress website. Properly set roles prevent unauthorized changes, minimize the risk of security breaches, and streamline collaboration by assigning specific tasks to different team members. For instance, if you allow too many users with administrative access, they could accidentally change critical settings, install plugins, or break your website. Limiting permissions keeps the website secure and ensures efficient workflow. How to assign roles and permissions. When adding a new user to WordPress, you can assign them a role based on the tasks they need to complete. Here's how. Go to Users in the WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New. Fill out the user's details, including username and email. Select the appropriate role from the Role drop-down menu. It's crucial to assign roles carefully based on the user's job function. For example, an author might not need administrative access, and a subscriber doesn't need the capability to edit posts. Customizing roles with plugins. WordPress provides default roles, but sometimes you may need more control over what specific users can do. For instance, you might want an editor who can only edit posts but not delete them. In such cases, you can use plugins to customize roles. Popular plugins for managing roles. User Role Editor. This plugin allows you to modify the capabilities of existing roles and create new ones. Members. It provides an easy interface to manage roles, capabilities, and even set permissions for specific posts or pages. With these plugins, you can fine-tune access for every user. For example, you can allow an editor to manage posts but restrict them from changing theme settings. Tips for managing permissions. Effectively grant the minimum required access. Only give users the permissions they absolutely need. This reduces the chances of accidental or malicious changes. Review roles regularly. Periodically review which users have which roles to ensure that they are still necessary. For example, if a temporary contributor has finished their work, downgrade their access or remove their account. Use two-factor authentication 2FA. Enhance security by implementing 2FA for users with administrative or editing privileges. This helps protect against unauthorized logins. Keep track of user activity. If you manage a large site with multiple users, consider using a plugin like Simple History to monitor user activity. This helps you track changes made by specific users, ensuring accountability. Conclusion. Effectively managing user permissions in WordPress is key to maintaining a secure and efficient site. By assigning appropriate roles, using plugins to customize capabilities, and regularly reviewing permissions, you can ensure that your website functions smoothly without unnecessary security risks. Always remember to provide users with the minimum access they need to perform their tasks and use additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication, for users with elevated privileges.